to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how a typewriter works. Let's go! So now I'm going to show you how a typewriter works. I got mine this Christmas. So all you need to do is just press these two buttons and you can open it up. And now you just have to take a paper and put it in the paper slot here. And just hold it with one hand while you roll it down with the other one. And as you can see, the paper just comes out. And then here, as you can see, there's these, and you can put this around. And these are like the grips, which helps the paper to stay. And now you just put it on there and click, it's on. If not, it will be flying everywhere, and that wouldn't be nice. And here, just put it up, and each row, just push it, and you're on a new row. And you can just type whatever you want. And then you can do it again. Another thing is, let me show you. Here are these. So it can be like 2 centimeters, a half centimeters, or 1 centimeter long. It means if you push it, how much it will go down. So if I write something or just do say, and I'm finished, how much it goes down. So I can change it. As you can see, I can just change it to 2. And then it will be more. As you can see. And then if I do it to 1, as you can see, it will be less. And here, as you can see, there are these buttons. This is for caps locks. Like, just press it, and you have a big capital letters. And if you want to go a lot of space, press this, repeat spacer. And if you just want one space, this one, like a normal computer. And now, to change colors, as you can see here, here's red and here's black. So now it's black, and if you put it here, it is red. And to change where like your letter starts, you can push here. So push, so it can end here, or it can also end here. And it can also like start wherever you want. You can start here, or here, or here. It's just the same concept. So let me show you. So I changed that it ends here, as you can see. So now I'm just gonna space it. As you can see, it rings faster. So yeah, here you can also make it, if it's always caps lock, you have to push this button here. So just press it down, and then it's always caps lock. And then if you want it up, just press it again, and a big button, and ta-da, it's up again. And now also, here as you can see is this tab button. So it goes a big space. And it always rings if it's like almost in the edge. So to tell you it's the next line. So just push again. And ta-da! It's back. So it's really simple, and it's also really cool. I love it. I hope you guys enjoy. Please give it a big like and subscribe.